Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on Drees Homes. Where are they currently building? And talking about how to navigate the warranty, what's included, and how to submit a claim if you have a potential issue in the future. So where are they located? Well, where they're building. So they're in Austin, they're in Kentucky, Ohio, they're in Texas, they're in Indianapolis, they're in Nashville, they're in Northern Virginia. So let's see what is in the DC metro area. Where are they building? So they're in Ashburn. So it looks like they're from Ashburn to Fredericksburg. So they have all of these different communities here. So they are in Herndon, Manassas, Woodbridge, and Stafford. So now let us go to the warranty page. So what's included? So they say that they've built over 70,000 homes. That's good. So what you will want to do is you need to click on the region that you're actually looking up. So because every warranty may be different. So I'm going to click on the Washington, D.C. metro area. And so this is the warranty guide. So this is actually a 40-page document. So it says what's actually included. So they have a 1-year warranty and then they have the 10-year warranty. Then it goes on to say what's covered, what's not covered, and what you need to do as a homeowner as well. So now I want to go to the customer support portal. So you want to register your home through the My Home portal, register for an account, and then it talks about your warranty information. You can look it up as well. And then this talks about different tasks that you actually need to do based on like general things you need to do, things you need to do at the springtime, things you need to do in the fall, things you need to do in the wintertime. And so it actually has videos to assist you with that. So how to change your furnace filter. Make sure you do that, because if you don't, that will basically, I will call it, choke up your system and it will not work properly and you'll have issues. So always, always, always make sure that you have enough filters. And you know, you can get them on Amazon. You can buy filters pretty much anywhere, Lowe's, Home Depot. So make sure you do that. And so that's all for today's video, because I mean, I can't go into the system and show you that. I mean, if you want some one-on-one help, I don't mind doing that, but I can't sign in because I don't have a Drees home. So make it a great day. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions about selling your Drees home in the Northern Virginia, Maryland area, you can give me a call. Or if you have a need in another state, I can help you with one of my referral partners out there. Make it a great day, and thank you for watching. I'm Rashana Levin, Realtor with KW United, 240-284-4114.